How's it going, guys? This evening, I have these LED headlights from a company called Rimthin. I'll put a link in the description down below. We're going to install them on the Explorer. These are both 9006, which should work for this vehicle. Right now I just have the standard bulbs when I bought it that's in it right now. So we'll open these up, see what they look like. I get them installed. Should be pretty simple on this vehicle. I've never taken them out, so I guess we will check and see together. Pretty simple packaging. I like the color of them. Got 2 bulbs in each pack here. Little Phillips head screws there, and a little tiny cooling fan on the back, which is kind of cool looking. It says on here your plus and your minus 9006/HB4 is the size of these. So we're gonna start with let's do the driver's side, maybe. And we'll pop this headlight housing out of here. The Explorer, it's kind of like the older vehicles, has these little tabs here. Just pop these up. I've never had them up, so might need to go get some pliers or something. I don't have enough room to get your hand in there to get behind there. So let me pop these up. They pop up probably about 1 inch on each side, and the headlight just falls out. Okay, that's what they look like when they're popped up. You can lift them and kind of wiggle them a little bit, pull them out. This should be able to wiggle itself out of here. Looks like that. There's our bulb. So we'll go counterclockwise. A little twist there. Pull the connector. Get the bulb out. We have a 9006 HB4. Get our LED 9006 HB4. Put it in there. Go clockwise this time. Get our connector and push it on there. And make sure that this is how you adjust your headlight beam up and down. Make sure that's in line where it should be. And just kind of line everything up, and just the best method typically is just wiggle it. This one goes right in the bottom. There's a little tiny hole down there. You kind of move this and get it to line up. Doing this one-handed isn't as easy as it should be, but just did it. Push this down, this one down. I'll have to push this a little bit and push that all the way down so it's flush. And we'll see what it looks like. Okay, now with that, turn headlights on. Oh, look at that. There's the difference there. This is about 7:30 at night. Nice bright light. Seconds later, I have them both swapped out now. All we have is the low beams, because that's all we have. Yeah, I'll see you guys when it gets dark, and we will see what they look like. So as of right now, they look pretty good. We'll just need to get some fog lights, it looks like. So right now our fog lights are still the same ones. So I will see you guys when it gets dark. See, these headlights are extremely bright. Guess I need to adjust them a little bit. Way brighter than the stock bulbs though. But yeah, if I don't adjust these, people are gonna be flashing me all over the place. A decent beam, not too narrow, not too wide. yeah, if I just bring that beam down a little bit, then we should be good to go. Because even down the hill, it's about where it should be normally. You can see there is kind of two little hot spots right here, but not terrible. So let's go up to the garage, see if we can aim these real quick. Otherwise, yeah, brightness-wise, they're pretty good. It is hard to get a clear beam, like even beam, without projector housings, so not too bad. Fairly impressed. Yeah, we'll see if we can adjust these real quick. The driver's side isn't too bad. Passenger side's a little on the high side. I'll probably bring them both down. Driver's side down just a little bit, maybe. I'll bring down the passenger first and see kind of where we're at. I like doing this right in front of the garage, so I have the garage door to be kind of my reference. I don't know what I need to adjust them. Should be able to do it just an adjustable wrench. Yeah, see how high that is. Yeah, let me see what I can do. Tested them a little bit. They're pretty close now. I might tweak a little bit more later on, but that's pretty much it for now. Thanks for watching. See you guys next video.